Hi Cambly learners, my name is V. I am a teacher on Cambly. Today we will learn about two words that are pronounced exactly the same, however, are spelled differently and have two different meanings. These words are known as homophones. So let's take a look at the word coarse. The first spelling is C-O-U-R-S-E. It is usually used as a noun, but can be used as a verb. As a noun, it can refer to a route, a part of a meal, or an academic class. Let's take a look at a few examples. Used as a route meaning. The hiking trail was too difficult a course for me. To describe a part of a meal, the couple had a 3-course meal on their anniversary. Academic meaning, Cambly offers a variety of courses to help you learn English. Course used as a verb can refer to flow or to run in a current. For example, the water coursed down the road into the river. But on the other hand, coarse spelled C-O-A-R-S-E is an adjective and refers to material that is rough, uneven, impure, cheap, and poor quality. Let's take a look at some examples. You have very coarse hair. The salt is coarse. The word coarse, C-O-A-R-S-E, can also be used to describe or talk about a person. It implies rude or offensive behavior, manner, or language. Example, why don't you change your coarse behavior? Many people get confused by which spelling to use. Here's a little tip for you. The word coarse, C-O-U-R-S-E, has the word hour, O-U-R, inside it. Meals, sports, roads are related to activities we do together with family and friends. This is our course for our meal, and this is our race course. How about we try a little quiz? You have to choose the correct word. So what will it be? C-O-U-R-S-E or C-O-A-R-S-E? The first sentence, this is coarse-grained soil. The second sentence, he took a course in welding from the local community college. The next sentence, the yacht's pilot set a course for the open sea. And the last sentence, her coarse manners got her removed from the restaurant. So, let's check how you did. The first sentence, this is coarse, C-O-A-R-S-E, grain soil. The second sentence, he took a course, C-O-U-R-S-E, in welding from the local community college. The next sentence, the yacht's pilot set a course, C-O-U-R-S-E, for the open sea. And the last sentence, her coarse manners, C-O-A-R-S-E, got her removed from the restaurant. I hope that you have found this lesson useful and you now know the difference between these two similarly pronounced words. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly offers instant access to friendly native English speakers like myself. You can have lessons from anywhere, anytime, right from your phone or computer. So why not schedule your next lesson with me using the link below? Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.